Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to track my FedEx package online, real time. First, locate your FedEx tracking number, which you can find in your confirmation email or on your shipping receipt. Once you have it, open your web browser and go to fedex.com or launch the FedEx mobile app on your smartphone. If you're not already signed in, log into your account to access all tracking features. On the homepage or app dashboard, find the tracking section. You might need to tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Select the track option, then carefully enter your full tracking number in the provided field. After entering it, tap Track to view your package's current status and delivery progress. You'll see detailed shipment information, including its current location, last scan update, and estimated delivery date. For real-time updates and live map tracking, enable notifications or use the FedEx Delivery Manager feature. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.